Hi, how are you? My name is Roxy and welcome to my neck of the woods. I'm super excited about this video, you guys. I finally got my very first luxury bag and I paid an arm and a leg for it. I've had it in my closet since February. I did not want to take it out until I paid it off. It took 4 months of me reselling things on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. I buy things from thrift stores and resell them in order to pay for the bags. After spending retail price, which wasn't even retail price because I bought it at an outlet, so I spent an outlet price for it. I don't know if I want to buy retail. I'm not saying I'm not going to buy retail in the future, but I don't think I'll ever spend this kind of money on retail. I don't know. Maybe I will change my mind. I'm going to Paris in a few days, so I might end up buying an expensive bag there. I don't know. I'm super excited about the Paris trip because my hotel is 4-minute walk from a pre-loved luxury handbag store. I'm also going in end of the summer. I'm going on an Alaskan cruise for a family reunion. And guess what? On that boat, there is a pre-loved handbag store on that cruise ship. So I'm trying to save my money for that. That's why I don't know. It looks like buying something pre-loved makes more sense. Okay, let's open this. I don't even remember what it looks like. Now, like I said, I bought it from the outlet. I've been at these outlets for a whole lot of years, but it's just sitting in here a whole lot of years, but I've never gone into the Gucci outlet store because I just didn't feel like I would buy something from there. The dust bag, that is. It's a pretty bag. And I'll tell you, the bags that I buy is probably going to be things that are bright colors. I know it doesn't look like Coach bag. Guess what? The Empire, I wore it for my birthday. I went away to the desert for 2 days and I wore it for my birthday. I like the size of this bag and I like the way it looks crossbody. That's always a thing. It is the Gigi Marmont, I think it's how you call it, in iridescent, and I believe it is the green color. It has an adjustable crossbody strap. Let me put this on here. Let me see if I can show you. I like the length of it. It has a strap keeper right over here. Now, I almost bought the one that has a flap on it, and my friend Lydia, who was with me at the time I bought it, she's like, no, just get this one. And I'm glad I did because I think that flap was more money. I paid $1,400 out the door for this bag. It's just one open compartment and it does have a pocket here on the side. It says Gucci made in Italy right over there. I don't know if you can see it. And then it has a little booklet that comes with it. And it looks like it's written in Italian. Isn't that lovely? But I have a feeling that's also written in English too. Now this was probably French. This looks like it's German. Where is the English part? This, I think it's Italian. But I don't see the English part. That's the one I need the most. It has a number right in the back here. I wanted my first luxury bag to be brand new because I'm so new to the luxury game. I'm a little bit nervous of buying things that are pre-loved. I'm super excited to find different places of where I can buy pre-loved, but I'm super happy also to get this bag. Now, I've seen this bag on the resale market for $1,800, which I didn't pay that. I paid less than that for this bag. But I've also seen it for $1,100 in a used condition. I don't think I'll ever sell this bag because it is my first luxury item, and I don't think I'll ever spend this much money on a bag, but like I said, that may change. I just really wanted to take this bag out before I go on my trip, because I definitely am going to wear this on my trip. This will be the crossbody that it will have enough room for my passport and wallet and every essential. It will fit my phone in here, so I think this is a perfect crossbody. And they say that you shouldn't be so American looking when you go on a trip, but I'm gonna risk it, you know. I'm gonna be one of those tourist types, just a little flashy, because that's just me. I am not the, what do you call it, quiet luxury type. No, that's not me. Okay, you guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.